Let me guess, you've entered this video for two possible reasons. The first is that you're a potential beginner in the world of firearms and are looking to take your first steps in this field. Or simply, you want to know which weapons are the easiest and most effective to use. Let me tell you that this is suitable content for any situation, even if you're already an experienced shooter. In this video, we've developed a top list where we'll discuss some options that we believe are suitable for new shooters. Finish this video to leave with new knowledge and suggestions. Just remember that this content is informative. Our choices are personal and we may think differently. We want to know yours, so tell us in the comments section. And with that, please click that subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Now, let's move on with today's first model. Number 6. Glock G19 XG5. Let's start this list with a pistol from a brand that everyone knows, even those who don't like firearms. The Glock G19 XG5 is a definitive choice for new gun users due to its excellent construction and uncomplicated handling. The Glock G19 XG5 is a definitive choice for new gun users due to its excellent construction and uncomplicated handling. Specifically, this firearm is Glock's first crossbreed firearm, meaning that the frame is derived from the full-size Glock 17, while its slide is taken from the compact G19. Glock 19. This unique constitution allows the Glock 19 XG5 to generate decent stopping power and maneuverability. It's easy to control and enables users to shoot accurately in challenging and adrenaline-filled situations. It offers impressive concealment due to its astonishing compactness. Interestingly, this pistol comes with a lanyard. The use of this accessory may be uncomfortable, but it prevents users from accidentally dropping the gun and causing accidental discharges. You may also find the upward grooves on its grip useful for stabilizing your grip. This pistol won't slip from your hands even in unfavorable conditions, and since it has a 17-round magazine, it gives you the confidence that you have enough rounds to neutralize your adversaries. Number 5. Beretta PX4 Storm. The Beretta version PX4 Storm is an obvious choice here. It may not be as popular as the other firearms, but it's a blessing for beginners. It comes with a 3-point sight system that allows for quick and precise aiming. This feature is crucial for those who haven't experienced shooting pistols before. Additionally, this pistol has interchangeable back straps that enable users to customize their grip according to their needs. One of the key reasons why it's a great pistol for beginners is its automatic firing pin block when you're not using the gun. The pin block prevents the gun from accidentally discharging and prevents unwanted incidents. Even experienced shooters find this feature extremely beneficial. Moreover, you can use the Beretta PX4 Storm in either double action or single action mode. It's also highly customizable due to its wide range of accessories available in the market. Number 4. Sig Sauer P320. Another firearm that works well for enthusiasts is the Sig Sauer P320. It's a striker-fired pistol without involved hammers, meaning it isn't sustainable to snagging. Of course, our P320 isn't just about being ergonomic, it's also an effective firearm with decent stopping power. In fact, it holds a vulnerable quality as the US Army has chosen this unit as its official sidearm for soldiers. On its own, it proves that this firearm is a worthwhile acquisition, but don't think it's only for advanced users. It's actually designed for people who want to learn how to use pistols. This unit comes with interchangeable parts so you can customize it to fit your preferences. It also has a broad aftermarket, making it a preferable choice for beginners who are still discovering the ideal grip size for them. Additionally, it's unlikely to snag during the draw as it lacks an external safety or disarming lever. One of the most solid reasons it's perfect for new users is that you don't need to pull the trigger to dismantle it. Pulling the trigger can be dangerous, especially for beginners. Interestingly, this firearm has numerous versions, so you're free to choose which one suits your needs best. All of them are compact for efficient concealed carry. Number 3. Smith & Wesson M&P 9M 2.0. It's not surprising that a Smith & Wesson pistol is included in this kind of list. Aside from the brand's popularity, It's no secret that Smith & Wesson has impressive feats that beginners would undoubtedly appreciate. The Smith & Wesson M&P 9M 2.0 in particular is a high-quality firearm for both new and experienced shooters. This specific firearm belongs to the brand's police and military series, known for its stopping power, accuracy, and ease of use. The original version of this pistol had a solid construction but lacked an impressive trigger. Fortunately, this issue was addressed in the M2.0. The trigger has been fine-tuned to achieve a crisp shot and a light pull, and its reset is also tactical and audible. In addition to its impressive trigger, the M2.0 has an aggressive texture, ensuring a flawless grip. Despite this, the firearm still allows you to interchange palm swells, enabling you to find the ideal grip for you overall. The pistol easily fits in the hand, equipped with safety that can be removed when you want to fill the holes with insert. One of the firearm's highlights is its extended stainless steel chassis. It also comes with a high grip for the barrel, effectively decreasing its muzzle rise and helping optimize target recovery. Number 2. Ruger LCR9. This list wouldn't be complete without the Ruger LCR9, specifically because it's a wonderful revolver with a barrel length of 1.87 inches and a height of 4.5 inches. It's among the most compact revolvers in the current market, and at the same time, its small frame allows it to be a perfect concealed carry for anyone. Of course, I've mentioned that this is a revolver, and we all know that revolvers are quite simple to operate. Simply aim at your target and squeeze the trigger. All Ruger pistols are notable for their performance and power. However, please note that the LCR9 has a flat nose profile, meaning it has significant recoil even if equipped with specific features to mitigate it. It's still there, so it's necessary to have a good grip on this pistol. Also, note that its double-action trigger will require a prolonged pull. It's extremely beneficial for new gun owners, as this design prevents accidental firing of the weapon. With its excellent stopping power, the Ruger LCR9 is indeed an excellent firearm. Even seasoned shooters prefer using this weapon for personal defense due to its ability to quell threats. It doesn't have an extensive learning curve, so even new gun owners will likely master the trick. Number 1. Springfield XD Mod 2. Springfield is among the most well-known firearm manufacturers globally today, so it's not surprising that this manufacturer has already produced a large number of firearms that cater to specific needs, preferences, and skill levels when it comes to a suitable pistol for beginners. Springfield offers its XD Mod 2 service model. This is a striker-fired pistol, meaning it doesn't have a hammer, eliminating the possibility of snagging on your belt as you draw it from your concealed carry. Since this is a service pistol, it conveniently aids beginners looking to learn how to shoot properly. It provides a full grip that allows users to control it while firing. It's stable and doesn't generate excessive recoil. Additionally, it has a compact barrel that allows for convenient concealment in the meantime. Its trigger safety and grip ensure you won't fumble for a safety button. It helps you shoot accurately and promptly during challenging situations. Moreover, this pistol has an aggressive texture, significantly reducing the chance of it slipping from your hands even in specific conditions. The Springfield XG Mod 2 is equipped with an improved grip zone compared to its previous model. These features of the Springfield XG Mod 2 make it one of the best pistols for beginners, and that completes our list. So guys, we've reached the final phase of this brief presentation of models for beginner shooters. So which model would you choose? Is there any other option that we could have included in this list? If so, let us know in the comments down below. Don't miss any more of our videos. Activate the bell to receive our updates the minute they're uploaded. Subscribe to become a part of our Guns N' Roses community, and do smash the like button if you enjoy this type of content. Thank you very much for making it this far. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.